Welcome to WoodWing Scienta. In this guide, we'll walk through the process of setting up and sharing news articles using the Article with Category widget. This feature allows admins to present important updates directly on the dashboard, ensuring that news is easily accessible. To store news articles, a designated category in the Scienta environment is required. Categories help organize content, making it easier to manage and display relevant articles. To create a category, navigate to the Article Management tab on the Admin page. Click the plus New button and select Add New Top-Level Category. Configure the necessary settings to establish the category. In this example, a category named Internal News will be created. For better organization, a subcategory can also be added under the main category. This allows for a more specific grouping of news articles. Once the category and any optional subcategory are set up, a new article can be created, or an existing article can be placed into the appropriate category. When creating an article, additional settings, such as an image and a featured text, can be added to enhance its presentation within the widget. These elements help capture attention and provide a quick overview of the article's content. To configure these settings, access the Featured Settings tab on the right sidebar panel while in Article Editor mode. Upload or drag and drop an image into the Featured Image box. If needed, fill in the featured intro box with a brief summary. Optionally, the featured image can also be displayed at the top of the article itself. If this option is enabled, choose between two display styles: Content, where the featured text appears in the top left corner of the article with the image on the right, or Impression, where the image and featured text appear as a header above the article. Once all settings are configured, save the article and view it in the portal to check the results. To display news articles on the dashboard, navigate to the portal page and click the Edit Dashboard button. In Edit mode, add a new widget and select the Articles of Category option. Choose a title for the widget that reflects the type of news being shared, such as Internal News. If no title is provided, the default widget name will be displayed. Admins can also choose whether the widget should appear in full color or only display an accent color. Next, select the category where the news articles are placed. If subcategories are being used, enable the option to display articles within those subcategories as well. Posts added to the category will automatically appear in the widget. For the appearance settings, select the Highlight option. Then specify how many articles should be displayed. Determine the order of articles, and configure whether to show the publication date and category labels. Once the widget settings are finalized, click Apply to save the changes. The widget will now display the selected news articles on the dashboard. If multiple categories of news need to be shared, repeat these steps to create separate widgets for each topic. For example, one widget can be used for external events, while another displays global company updates. This ensures that all important news is organized and presented clearly. Customize the Article with Category widget to deliver relevant news in an organized, engaging way. Categorizing articles, adding images and text, and configuring the widget makes the dashboard a dynamic hub for updates. Thanks for watching!